Write out your long and short-term goals that you plan to achieve. Ever wake up in the morning feeling like you're ready to take on the world? That's the power of a goal. A dream with a deadline, an aspiration with an action plan. We all have goals, don't we? Be it losing weight, writing a book, starting a business, or running a marathon. But how many of us actually reach the finish line? The truth is, many of us start with a bang, but fizzle out halfway. And why is that? Is it because the goal was too big? Or were we too weak? No. It's because we didn't keep the fire burning. We let the initial excitement cool down. We let doubts and fears take over. But let me tell you something. The sweetest of victories are those that are hardest won. And the only way to taste that sweetness is to stay in the game, to keep pushing, to keep striving. You see, each goal is like a mountain. It's intimidating at first, but as you start climbing, you realize that the view from the top is worth the effort. And the journey, as challenging as it may be, is what shapes you, what makes you stronger. So, how do we stay motivated? First, remember your why. Why did you set this goal in the first place? Was it to prove something to yourself? To create a better life? To make a difference in the world? Hold on to that why. Second, break it down. Break your goal into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each small victory. It's these little wins that keep the momentum going, that fuels your motivation. Third, surround yourself with positivity. Be it motivating books, inspiring podcasts, or supportive friends. Their energy will rub off on you and push you to keep going. And lastly, believe in yourself. Believe that you have what it takes to reach your goal. Doubts will creep in, of course. But remember, you're stronger than you think. You're capable of more than you imagine. So, go ahead. Take that first step. Start that journey. Climb that mountain. Because the view from the top, my friend, is breathtaking. Your goal is waiting for you. And I promise you, the journey will be worth it. Click and subscribe.